Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my top-notch ground beef tostada recipe. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be all listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's take this to the stove and begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our salsa. In a small pot, we're going to add 2 Roma tomatoes and a handful of chile de arbol. We're going to cover them with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our chiles and tomatoes come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer them to our blender cup. To a blender cup, we're also going to add pickled jalapeños along with 1 tablespoon of its juice, 1 garlic clove, and salt. And now we just get ready to blend it into smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our salsa. So now we can transfer it out. Okay, here taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, we have our salsa, so we can set it to the side. Okay, so now we can make our pico de gallo. So for that, we're just going to be mixing the tomatoes, the onion, pickled jalapeños, and cilantro. Okay, for that, we're going to squeeze half a lemon. Going to be adding pickled jalapeno juice, salt, and black pepper. So just mix it. Okay, and just like that, we have our pico de gallo, so we can set it to the side. Okay, so now we can prepare tortillas to make our tostada shells. I'm going to be using this brand, but of course you can use your favorite uncooked flour tortillas. And I'm just going to grab my tortilla and begin to poke it with a fork. This will prevent them from blistering up while frying. Ready? And once we poke our tortillas, now we can get ready to fry them. Okay, to fry our tortillas, we're going to grab our pan, set it on medium heat, and add enough oil to cover the tortilla. And once hot, we can begin to fry them. Okay, so just submerge the tortilla and just allow it to get nice and golden. Okay, and once the tortilla is crispy, nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove it from the oil. Drain as much oil as possible. And we repeat the process to the rest of our tortillas. Alrighty, and once we have all of our tostada shells, we can now get ready to cook our meat. Okay, to cook our meat, we're going to grab our pan, set it on medium-high heat. To that, we're going to add a little bit of oil and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our chopped onion, tomato, and bell pepper. And we're going to saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add our ground beef, along with all of our spices. Going to break it down and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. Ready? And after 7 minutes, taste your meat for salt and adjust it if needed. And at this point, you can drain all of the grease. But once we have that, we can now get ready to put our delicious tostadas together. Alrighty guys, and now we can get ready for the fun part, putting our tostada together. So we're going to grab our tostada shell. I'm going to be spreading some refried beans. Just spread them. I'm going to add our meat. And tell me it doesn't look delicious already. Going to top it with some lettuce. Our delicious pico de gallo. Some queso cotija. And lastly, our delicious salsa. And just a few drops will be good enough. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these ground beef tostadas are seriously super delicious. They're so easy to make. And of course, you know, if you're in a rush, these are just your perfect meal. Everyone gets to enjoy it. That salsa is going to be a little spicy, but of course you can always adjust that if you want to use less chile de arbol and just skip on the jalapeños. That's just totally up to you. But let me tell you that it's going to be seriously the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And of course you want to enjoy them as soon as you serve them, because otherwise the tortilla begins to get a little soft and you want to enjoy them when they're nice and crunchy. So cheers. They're just the best. So simple, yet so delicious. The tostada, the flavorful ground beef, the pico de gallo, that salsa, everything perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious ground beef tostada recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.